Stop your feet.
You need to stop.
You can take the legislators and 2 or 3 representatives of the
Kata
party.
kalau insight teh,
Sir.
tentang ini ya, ang tu kumong yung yang teh. Ada bisa pang ni tingin menyak ni. Baik kanungan gitu.
So section
Speed adalah
144 is
swell M teh kalau unlawful teh. Kalau ada explain iki pakai imposition of section 144 CRPC kalau unlawful. Because Supreme Court ruling 1965 has spelled out very clearly.
Sir.
You cannot invoke section 144 as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances.
Sir.
So you are just, contempt the court. The ruling is contempt of court. The order of the deputy commissioner. And we know well what is section 144 CRPC. I've explained to them. It was mentioned in chapter 10, part C. This section 144 is only in cases of urgent cases of nuisance and apprehended danger. So have you apprehended that we will create any danger? This is a peaceful demonstration. It is a peaceful procession. Even procession are allowed. There's how many of us that we are not allowed just to go there? We will not go, not all of us will go inside. Then first you allow us to go there, then we will decide where to sit, where we will sit, and how many of us will go.